Hello students, as now we'll discuss about the grammar part. The first one is the gap filling. Fill in the gaps by choosing the most appropriate words from the options given below. So let's see what is the passage given here for the gap filling. Of the 700,000 villages, dash India, Kritam was dash tiniest. The village consisted dash less than 30 houses, and Muni's was the last house. In the fourth street beyond dash stretched the fields. In these prosperous days, Muni had owned a flock of sheep and goats. So let's read one more time. One of 700,000 houses, one of 700,000 villages, dash India, Kritam was the tiniest. The village consisted dash less than 30 houses. Muni's was the last house. In the fourth street beyond dash stretched the field. In this prosperous day, Muni had owned a flock of sheep and goat. So the options, let's have a look on the options. The first one is of the 700,000 villages, dash India. In India, from India, at India, of India. So the first one, obviously it would be villages in India. Kritam was dash tiniest. We know that as tiniest is a superlative degree, so obviously it would be preceded by the article the. Kritam was the tiniest. The village consisted dash less than 30 houses. In, from, with, of. The village consisted in, from, with, or of. The correct option would be consisted of less than 30 houses, and Muni's was the last house in the fourth street beyond dash the stretch the fields. Fourth street beyond, when, whose, where, which. When stretched, who stretched, where stretched, or which stretched. Yes, the correct option is which. Which stretched the field. In these prosperous days, Muni had owned a flock of sheep and goat. Now let's move forward to the editing task. In the given passage, there is a correction. There is an incorrect word in each sentence. You have to write down the correct word. So let's read what is the passage about. The press also act as a public court. All evils, corruptions, vices, scandals, etc. is given publicity and brought forth with the public through the medium of newspaper. It creates and molds public opinion. The press also act as a public court. All evils, corruptions, vices, scandals, etc. is given publicity and brought forth with the public through the medium of newspaper. It creates and molds public opinion. As dear students, I have already discussed with you many times when we discussed about editing task. As we know that first we have to read the passage carefully, and then we note down whether what is the time of the tense. As we have read, this time of the tense is the present time. It's a simple present tense, and then all the sentences are in the active voice. And here here the passage talks about the press, the media. So now let's see what could be the possible errors. The press also act as a public court. Here the incorrect word is act. As with press is a singular, so we follow s or es as is a simple present tense. The press also acts as a public court. All evils, corruptions, vices, scandals, etc. as all evils, corruptions. So it will be followed by the plural helping verb, that is are. All evils, corruptions, vices, scandals, etc. are given publicity and brought forth with the public. So in the second is added are in place of is, and the third one brought forth with, forth to, and brought forth to the public through the medium of newspaper. It create and molds. As we know that in simple with singular verb followed by a verb that is with s or es, so it creates and molds public opinion. The correction would be S, creates, and the other is create. So now let's see again. The first error is the press also acts. Acts. And the second is error, and the correction would be R. And the third with to. In the last one, creates. So now let's move towards the sentence reordering. Let's read out the sentences that have been given here in jumbled manner. We have to rearrange these sentences to make these one correct sentences. Human also plant settlements, animals can forest, kill, separate, fires and two. So the correct sequence would be forest fire kills plants and animals, forest fire kills plants and animals and can also separate to human settlements. I repeat, kindly match your answer. Forest fires kill plants and animals and can also separate to human settlements. And the next one is damage human the property and life also cause too. So the correct order is they also cause damage to human life and property. They also cause damage to human life and property. And the next one is pollute carbon dioxide air they by huge amount of also the releasing smoke and. So the correct order is they also pollute the air by releasing huge amount of carbon dioxide and smoke. I repeat, please kindly match. They also pollute the air by releasing human amounts of carbon dioxide and smoke. And the last one is purposely farming forests some clear for fire. Fire started farmers are to clear land. The answer is some forest fires are started purposely by farmers to clear land for farming. Some forest fires are started purposely by farmers to clear land for farming. So now let's discuss briefly about the literature part. Here the extract is given from the poem that is The Fire and Ice. As we have discussed this poem in detail, so let's see what are the questions have been asked here. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Some say that this world will end in fire. According to the poem, the correct option would be the fourth one. And the next one is others think that this world, we know that obviously will end in ice. And the next one, the poet have tasted the passion and pangs of love and desire. And the last question is the poet stands with those who favor that the world will end in fire. Then the next extract is given from here from the chapter Nelson Mandela, A Long Struggle to Freedom. So let's see what are the questions about. What are the questions have been asked here. Those who were present were conferring glory and hope to newborn liberty, to the new nation, to the new government and to the new black president. So obviously we have discussed this chapter and the correct option would be to newborn liberty. The apartheid design was based on racial discrimination. And the next one is a new democratic and non-racial society was going to take its birth that day, on the day of 10 May when Nelson Mandela took oath as the first black president of India. So on that day a new democratic and non-racial society was going to take its birth. Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa. He was the first black president of South Africa. So the next are the questions that have been asked from the chapters that we have covered so far. The first question, that would save Lancho's letter. It is about the chapter A Letter to God, and the next one is Thief's Story, and the next one was from the first two stories about flying. The fourth one, how did the young seagull's mother teach him flying? And the next is a long question that is from the poem Dust of Snow. Simple moment proves to be very significant and saves rest of the day of poets from wasted. Explain on the poem on the basis of the poem Dust of Snow. So this is a question from the poem His First Flight. So you have to give this answer in detail in 100 to 150 words. This one is from the chapter A Triumph of Surgery, that Mrs. Family thought that her dog's recovery was a triumph of surgery. Elaborate. As we have discussed about this chapter, we know that whether it was a triumph of surgery or not, so you have to elaborate it in the context of this chapter. So dear students, we have discussed the complete solution of this sample paper, and I really hope that you would be able to answer all the questions which have been asked here, and still you have any query you can ask me. So complete your work. Thank you.